So for today, we will learn about the fundamental algebra. So what is fundamental algebra? Before we learn about the fundamental, we learn about what is algebra. Algebra, we use letters to represent a number. Okay, this is already in your book, and they are known as variables, and they can be used to represent any number. Any number can be represented with letters. Yeah, X and X, Y, A, B, C, and so on. It can be anything. So for example, this. So the sum of 2 and 3, this is the arithmetic. So you have, this is the comparison between arithmetic and algebra. Arithmetic using the number, we have a certain value, okay? And for algebra, a plus b equals b plus a equals c. So you just change the number by its letter. It can be anything, okay? You know the sum. What is sum? Total. You add the number, right? What is difference? Difference is subtraction. What is product? Product is multiplication. See, you have to understand that the sum is positive, plus, or, sorry, or add. Difference is minus. Product is times. Quotient is division. And square is, let's say I have number 4 square, 4 power 2. If cube, let's say 3 cube, 3 to the power of 3, or 8 cube, 8 to the power of 3, right? Sum can be, another words of sum will be add, subtract, multiply, times, right? Multiply, times, you know it, unit already, divide, okay, over, per, okay, square, power 2, power 2, power 3. How about square root? Square root is square root, akar, yeah, or radicals. Okay, you can see later on in the recording. I want to skip this. So algebra is invented by him, Muhammad bin Musa al-Khwarizmi, at 780 and until 850. So he lived for about 70 years to make the mess of our life today. He created algebra and make the mess on math, but it's not math anyway. It's not mess. It is a good way to learn math. Okay. So if I have multiply, we don't have to put here. Look at this. When we multiply a by 3, we usually just put 3a, not a3. Okay, be careful about this. So 3 times a can be written as 3a, or 4 times a times b can be written as 4ab. And how about 1 times a? So a itself, you don't have to put 1a, no need. But 2 times a, you have to put the number 2a. But if 1, you don't have to put the number 1 in front of the letter, okay, or in front of the variables, what we call. So this will be important to you, so you can look at your book. On your book, it's everything is complete there. I just want to conduct so that you can understand easily. So this is linear expression and non-linear expression. What is the difference between linear and non-linear? Look at this properly. Linear means we have one value of x, one value of x, one value of y, one value of x, and so on. We don't have the square here. If it is a square, it's called a square expression or non-linear expression. Cube and multiplication of two variables over, and then square root, and so on and so on. Yeah. Okay. So that's a linear and non-linear. So we just go through it. Now, let's try to check one by one. 5x plus y plus 4z minus 4z minus 3. Ooh, this is the huge or the long expressions of algebra, or long algebraic expression, z minus 3. So 5x is called term, right? So one whole thing. Y is term as well. Negative 4z is term. Negative 3 is term. But we have 3 variables. The variables is the letter. X, Y, and Z called variables. So ini kenalan dulu ya, variables. Okay, the letter Variables is always the letter. And the 5, the number here, the number that is in front of the variable is called coefficient. Okay. And the only term that has no variables yang negative 3 sendiri, dia kayak jomblo gitu ya, sendirian, nggak ada x-nya, nggak ada y-nya, nggak ada z-nya. Ini namanya constant. Okay, constant term, see? Negative 3, variables x, y, z. Ini coefficient of x, y, z are respectively 5x, 1y, and negative 4z. Sama ya, 5x, 1y. Kalau nggak ada 1, negative 4z. So far, do you have any question, guys? Kalau nggak ada, kita lanjut. Now, try to solve this. The sum of 2x and 3z. Ya, kita tinggal masukin aja, guys. Sambil tulis ya, you boleh tulis di buku. You boleh sambil nulis. The sum of 2x and 3z. Again, I want to remind you, pick your book, take your pen or pencil, write it down with me together. Okay? Jangan ada yang nggak kerja. Ini buat latihan aja. So sum of 2x and 3z. So 2x plus 3z. Kan sum. Product of x and 7y. So x times, I put times as a dot aja biar gampang ya. 7y. So it can be written as 7xy. Right? Ingat ya, kalau yang multiply bisa gitu. Divide 3ab by 2c. Okay. 3ab divide by 2c. Subtract 6q from 10z. Hati-hati. 6q from 10z. Siapa duluan? Ayo, ada yang bisa jawab nggak? 6q or 10z dulu, guys?
Wait, Mister, what page is this? I can't seem to find it on my book.
Wait, what? Masa nggak ada? Give me a moment.
Kayaknya harus tulis nggak?
Yang mau tulis boleh, enggak juga nggak apa-apa. Tapi ini kalau yang mau nulis, belajar pencil aja. Okay, now subtract 6q from 10z. 6q from 10z. So 10z is the first, right? And this is the wording. Let's see E. Apa sih? Sum of PQ minus XY, right? Kita bikin. Sum of PQ, right? Sum of P and Q, subtract with product of X and Y, right? Simple ya? Wait, I cannot make it smaller. How can I make it smaller? I cannot make the text smaller. Help me, please. Ah, there you go. See? There you go. Okay, that's how you do. Next, what is this? 3 plus y. So sum of 3 and y divided by 5, right? Piece of cake. And how about this? Square root of b subtract with the product of 2 and c. See, it's quite simple. Gampang ya. Jadi ini cuma latihan aja buat mathematicalnya. And so on. Okay, I will send this to you. Beberapa aja, nggak semua ya. Okay, I will clear it. And I'm opening this. There you go. Okay, this is the basic algebra term, algebraic term. Next. I don't want to continue. Now, there you go. Let's see for practice now 1. So what page? It's on page 86. Okay, page 86. Coba kita lihat. Page 86. Semua lihat di sini practice now. Kita bahas practice now 1-nya aja. Practice now 1, 2, 3, and so on until exercise 4B. Okay, this is quite simple. So what you have to do is try to pindahin, try to substitute, right? Given that 2x, x equals negative 2, so yang question 1a gampang guys. So kan 5y minus 4x, right? What is y? Y-nya 4, x-nya negative 2. Not 54 ya, hati-hati ya guys. Y 4, but it's not 54, but 5 times 4, subtract 4 times negative 2, right? 5 times 4 is 20, 8 times 2 is 8 plus. Kenapa plus? Soalnya 8 a negative times negative. So the answer will be 28, right?
Mister.
Mister,
Yes,
is this one harder than the unit before?
I don't think so.
I think this one is more simple than like the last one. That last one was more like
Complicated, right?
complicated. Yeah, so complicated.
Tapi bisa ya. Tadi Nathan mau nanya apa? Nathan, you want to ask something?
Yeah, I think I have the wrong book because I'm on page 86 and there's like no practice
one.
one.
Textbook, the thicker one.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's this one.
everyone, see this. You use 2. You're grade 7, man.
What? Oh,
Okay. Okay, continue. You have to look at page 86 ya. Turn to page 86, 86. Okay, continue ya. Biar cepat. B. 1 over x, 1 over negative 2. Tulis dulu ya. Minus y plus 3. So 1 over negative 2 minus 4 plus 3. Okay, we deal with the fraction. So how do we deal with the fraction? Again, if we do the fraction, beginin dulu. Nah, make the denominator and then equalize the denominator, right? So everything is over. Oh, ini negatifnya di bawah jelek ya. You put on top the negative top like that. So over 2, negative 1 minus 8 plus 5, plus 6, right? So you get the answer easy. Negative 9 plus 6, so negative 3 over 2. Let it be. Okay? Gampang ya? Number 2 yuk kita lihat. Ini 2 ya, 1 over 2 ini.
Susah, sir, susah.
Why? Why susah? Just substitute. X jadi 2. Terus negatif 2 tadi ya. Negatifnya pindahin ke atas. Y-nya jadi 4.
I think this one is easier, tapi panjang kayaknya.
Ya, yuk pelan-pelan lagi ya. Find the value of p square plus 3q square when p equals negative half. Oke, p-nya ganti negative half. Right? 3, change the q by negative 2. Right? So, 1 over 2 square. What is 1 over 2 times 1 over 2? Negative 1 over 2 times negative 1 over 2. Keep this. Kalau nggak bisa pelan-pelan aja. Plus 3 times negative 2 times negative 2. Right? Kalau mau pelan bisa ya. Kalau mau cepat oke juga. 1 over 4, right? Positive because negative times negative. Plus 3 times 4, right? This is 4, so plus 12. Okay, so the answer will be 12, 1 over 4. You don't have to make the denominator equal, buang-buang waktu. Yeah, wasting time. So this is our practice now 1. Okay. Next. Ini copy dulu ya. Let's see for the next practice now. Go to page, semua langsung buka ya, hajar. Go to page 88. Next to page. Nah ini. Express this using algebra disk. No need to put algebra disk. Nggak usah. Algebra disk itu kayak logic disk, nggak perlu. Wasting. Kita pakai logic gampang aja. Okay. 3x plus 4x. Can we add the number? Yes. Why? Because they share the same variables. 3x. X means 3 apples. Kita pakai comparison aja. 3 apples plus 4 apples. Ya udah 7x. 3 apples. Oh, kita ganti dulu. Minus 4. Because double sign. Okay, 3 minus 4, negative 1x. Ingat, kita nggak kenal yang namanya negative 1. Adanya negative x, right? That's how you think. And negative 3 plus 4. Negative 3 plus 4. 1x. And then you can ignore the 1. Just this is the final answer. Negative 3x minus 4x, right? You do the double sign. Negative 3 minus 4. Minus 3 minus 4. What's the answer? Anyone? Negative?
Negative x.
Negative 3 minus 4. You udah min lagi.
I forget.
7.
Negative 7. Yeah. Negative 7x. Okay. Now, let's go to the next part. Practice now. Page 90. Ya, 90. Nah, ini mulai nih. 90 ya. Yang di sini, guys. Yang ini kita skip sama aja soalnya. Sama persis kan. Page 90. There you go. Simplify each of the following expressions by using algebra disk. No need. I don't think we need to do the algebra disk. Algebra software. No. Just use our brain. Because God create brain to be used, not to be unused. Yuk. Kita lihat ya. We can add the numbers with the numbers, not the numbers with the variables. Jadi yang A kita collecting the like terms. So we learn about how to collect the like terms. A like terms artinya yang sama ya. X plus 5x, taruh aja gitu. And then plus 2 minus 4. Kita grouping dulu. Ya. So first grouping. Second solving. Oke. Ya udah tinggal di combine. X plus 5x berapa? Ayo, ada yang bisa nggak? 1x plus 5x berapa? Hello?
6x
6x, that's right. 2 minus 4?
min 2.
Min 2 minus 2.
Nice. B. Ini tandanya jelek ya, yuk ganti-ganti dulu deh. 2x, double sign, plus minus, minus 3, and then minus 3x, right, plus 5. After you do the double sign thing, what you need to do next? Grouping. 2x minus 3x minus 3 plus 5. I grouping ini dulu. 2x minus 3x.
Negative 1x.
Nice. Negative x ya. Boleh dong. Nggak usah pakai 1 ya. Kalau 1 nggak perlu. 3 plus 5. Negative 3 plus 5.
Plus 2.
Nice. Ini udah pada lumayan ya. Yang lain coba ikutin ya. Yang belum bisa juga please follow. Negative x minus y minus minus jadi plus. And then plus 4y, right? Grouping lagi, negative x plus 2x, right? And then minus y plus 4y, right? So what is negative x plus 2x? Ayo, ada yang bisa langsung jawab lagi nggak?
1x
1x or x itself, right? Kalau 1 ya udah nggak apa-apa, awal-awalnya pakai 1 juga, oke. Minus 1 plus 4.
Plus 3y.
ya
Plus
plus
3 ya.
3.
Nice, mantap. Oke, Jerry udah lumayan bisa ya. Tadi Jerry dari nggak jawab jadi mulai jawab. So, Jerry start to get the idea. D. Again, double sign-nya ada 2. Oke, kita combine dulu. Kita rapiin dulu. Double sign-nya jadi single sign. Ya. Minus 7y plus minus becomes minus 2y plus 4x. Right? Combine. Yuk, kalau nggak combine juga boleh ya. Kalau nggak combine juga boleh. Ingat. Tapi kalau di sini we start to do the combination. We try to make a group of them. 7y minus 2y, right?
X.
Terus
Negative 9x. 9y.
9y.
plus 9 or negative 9? Nah, dari
No, 9.
Negative.
9. Oh,
minus. Ada minusnya. Kenapa? Soalnya utang 7, utang 2. Ya utang 9, right? Utangnya tetap ditulis. That's how you do, ya. Slow but sure. Oke, copy lagi. Pindahin lagi, nanti dapat ininya dokumennya ya. By PDF aja. Hah? Wait. Nggak ke copy. Oh, lupa di merge. There you go. Thank. Okay, next. Go to practice now tool. Next page. Nah, ini dia. Abis itu exercise 4A belakangan. Nanti ya, exercise 4A buat homework. Kita udah tahu caranya sekarang berarti ya. We know how to do and how to deal with algebra. Find the like terms, grouping. And then add the like terms, grouping lagi. Ayo yang ini. Number 1. Coba kita lihat ya. For number 1, I don't want to do the grouping. Langsung aja lihat. 2x. Ada yang ada x-nya. 8x, right? Jadi berapa? Bisa langsung nggak?
10x.
Berapa, Jar?
10x.
10x, that's right. Terus yang y, negative y plus 4.
Min 1x.
Y.
Min
Y.
1.
Hati-hati ya, nggak boleh pakai x lagi ya. Oke, yang B nggak bisa ya guys, pelan-pelan lu nggak bisa. Ini ada double sign. Pelan-pelan aja, 11x plus 5y minus 14x minus 2y, right? Because I just changed the double sign. Satu orang ya, I pick one student. Coba, Vanessa, can you do this? You mau ngomong pakai cara apa aja terserah. You mau lambat, cepet nggak apa-apa. Vanessa, unmute yourself. Yep. Ayo, jadi berapa Vanessa? Halo Vanessa, are you there? Oke. Ayo, coba Vanessa. Step 1 diapain? kita grouping. Ya, tuntun ya pelan-pelan ya. Grouping mana yang sama? 11x and negative 14x, right? Terus sisanya 5y taruh di sini, 2y taruh di sini. Oke, Vanessa, are you following me?
Yes.
Oke, next. Kita lihat yang sama siapa? 11x and negative 14x. 11 minus 14 berapa, Vanessa? Can you just find the number?
Negative 3.
Yeah, cool. Don't forget to put x. And then one more. 5 minus 2. Berapa, Vanessa?
3.
3. So if we don't have the sign, put positive. 3,
Y.
y. Cool. Udah tahu ya? So that's how you do. Ayo lagi, satu orang lagi. Siapa lagi ya? Thank you, Vanessa. Jessica. C, gimana yang part C? Unmute, tell me. Tell the class. Ayo Jessica, unmute yourself. Coba yang C gimana caranya? Halo Jessica, can you hear me?
Yes.
Oke, yang C coba gimana? Yang C bikin. Ayo langsung sebut aja. Jangan di mute lagi, unmute aja, nggak apa-apa. Okay, for number 1C we already did, and for number 1D now we will try to solve by equalize the denominator. Okay, so it has to be 3 over 6x minus 2 over 6x. Okay, simple. 3 over 6 minus 2 over 6, 1 over 6x. Okay, do it slowly. Okay, now for number 2. Oh, number 2 is quite challenging. Simplify the expression 2p minus 5q. Okay, 2p minus 5q plus 7r minus 4p plus 2q. Oh, ini kurang kerjaan dia. Okay, 2 part 1. Okay, find the like terms, collecting the like terms. Which is the like terms? Ayo, pelan-pelan ya, semua yang belum bisa, coba lihat. 2p and minus 4p. Ingat ya, Jessica, jangan sampai ambil 2p minus gitu. Nggak boleh. 2p aja. Minus 4p. On the left, the sign is always on the left side. 2p minus 4p. Negative 2p, right? 2 kurang 4. 2 minus 4. Then, negative 5q plus 2q. Minus 5 plus 2. 3q. Negative 3q. Last one. 7r minus 3r. 7 minus 3. 4r. Beres. Udah, nggak usah di-open lagi kan? Udah nggak usah disimplify. Yang kedua, yang males banget. Part 2. Find the value of the expression when p equals half. Oke. Negative 2, p-nya ganti half. Negative 3, q-nya ganti negative 1/3. Right? Plus 4r. R ganti 4. You perhatiin ini. Focus on this. Okay, now I ask for your focus. P half. Q 1/3. See? You can see. And then R4. There you go. And what you can do next, try to solve it one by one, slowly but sure. Okay, again, slow but sure. Don't do it too fast. 2 times, negative 2 times half, negative 1. Negative 3 times negative 1 over 3 plus 1. Plus 16. Right? 4 times 4. Ini kan bisa di cross out. Ini juga cross out gitu ya. Tapi ini negative times negative. So negative 1 plus 1, 0. 0 plus 16, 16 itself. That's the answer. Okay. We are done for chapter 4A. Ya. 4A udah beres. Now kita ke 4B ya. So homeworknya nanti saya kirim di sini. Ya, 4A nanti ada. Okay, piece of cake. Now, expansion. Now we are learning about expansion. Slow but sure. Lagi ya, selalu pelan-pelan kalau ngajar di sini. Soalnya ini basicnya, guys. Oke. Coba kita lihat. Jangan di sini. Kita lihat page. Nah, there you go. Oh, enggak. Sam udah. Nah, ini dia. So, open page 94. practice now yang ini. Oke, halaman 94, 94. So we learn about the next part. Oke, ini yang part A, part 1. Sekarang kita ke part 2. Insert page break part 2. Ya. So part 2 is multiplication. Part 1 ini cuman addition and subtraction. Wait, ini agak kecil ya tulisannya ya. Gini aja, part 1, addition and subtraction of algebra. Part 2, expansion. Ya. Oke, let's try. Part 2, kita lihat dari practice now-nya. Let's try to do the practice now. Ini ya. This is the first practice now on part 2. Let's try. Kita lihat pelan-pelan. This has no sign at all, right? 3 bracket langsung, kalau bracket it means you multiply, right? So 3 times 5 is 15x. Okay? 3 times -5 is -15x. When it has no sign, it's multiplication. -3 times 5 is -15x. -3 times -5 is 15x. You use the regular multiplication law. Okay. If you have any question in this part, ask me, because this will be the basic. Now, next page, page 95. Okay, this class discussion, the distributive law. How do we distribute? Distributive law means you try to distribute all the multiplication. Okay, ini semua ada banget. Kita taruh di bawah dikit ya. So, I say, I will announce, I will give you the idea about distributive law. I called this as a rainbow rule. Rainbow multiplication. How to do? Slowly. 2 kan times ini ya. 2 ini sama ini. See, slow ya, pelan-pelan ya, lihat ya, lihat. Semua lihat lagi. 2 times -x, -2x, right? 2 times -1 soalnya. 2 times -4, ya udah -8. Beres. Rainbow nih, rainbow gitu ya. Next. -2 times -x, -2 times -1. 2x itself, positif jadinya. Biar kelihatan jadi kayak rainbow, kita pakai warna lain, merah, kuning, hijau. Nah, ini ya. -2 times -4 plus 8. Okay. Next. Enggak ada negatif. 3 times y is 3y. And one more. 3 times -2, -6x. Yeah, this is the algebra multiplication. One more. Wow, oke, masih banyak. Kita kasih warna-warni. -3 times y is -3y. And last one, -3 times -2, positive
6x.
Positif. Positif enggak?
Oh iya.
Ya, negatif times negatif. Oke, udah tahu ya, ini pelan-pelan aja. So pay attention on each details. Okay, now expand A times B plus C. A times B is AB. A times C is AC. That's all. Ya udah, nggak usah diopen lagi. That's how you think of the multiplication law. Okay, the rules of rainbow. Di sini ada rainbow-nya. Yuk coba nanti di bukunya dijelasin sih ya. In your book, you will be given the explanation of that. Let's see. See, ada ya nih. A times B. Nah, ini juga sama nih. Ayo lihat ya. Sama dong. 6 times X, 6X. 6 times -2, -12. Udah, ini jawabannya. Oke. -3 times 4X, -4. -3 times 4X, -12X. Sama ya. Jadi coba lihat tuh pelan-pelan. Lihat pelan-pelan. Lihat, tapi jangan merem-merem ya. Kalau merem nggak kelihatan. Nih. Yang C yang agak ribet. A times 5x berarti 5ax atau 5xa, but better you put in an order, ya, alphabetically order. A times 5x. So 1a times 5x. 1 times 5 is 5. A times x is ax, and a times y is ay. Okay, this is the distributive law. Next, practice now 2. Let's try to do this. Okay, slow, steady, but keep going. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Anyone wants to answer? Yuk, jawabin. Gantian.
3x plus 6.
Nice. Oke, next. Siapa lagi? Jangan Jerry sama Winston sama Nathan lagi. Jangan Felix. Yuk. Siapa nih? Terserah. Clarissa? Coba Clarissa, how can you do part B?
Minus 5 times x times 4y
Plus 20. Ya, ini rainbow-nya. Oke, get it, Clarissa? Do you get the idea? Kalinya sama
Yeah.
semuanya. Oke, next. Coba lagi. Siapa ya? Boys. Brian. Unmute yourself. Let me know. Brian, are you there? Brian. Hilang dia. Halo, Brian. Oke, next, Regan, coba.
Oke, apa itu? Minus A minus AX.
Ya,
Di ituin A 2Y gitu.
ya, negative 2ay ya.
Ya,
Soalnya a times y. Oke, that's how you do. Next, lihat lagi. Ini. Nah, ini agak susah ya. Coba kita lihat pelan-pelan aja. This one. What page? It's on page. Next page ya, page 96. Semua buka page 96. Oke. Coba kita lihat. I will give you time to do.
No, thank you.
Okay. Anyone wants to try?
Can I try?
Yeah, sure.
3x plus 6
Nice. Cool.
minus 4x plus 2
Cool. And then, ya udah bener. Next step tinggal dihabisin.
and negative 1x
Oke. Or negative x itself. Right. Bener ya, langsung ya dia. Langsung nggak usah di grup. Langsung. Next.
become and then plus 8.
Ya, nice. Udah, bener. Oke. And the rest will be quite simple. C. Coba kita lihat yang C ya. Jawabin aja biar cepat. Soalnya masih ada one part. 2 times negative x is minus 2x. Right? 2 times negative y is minus 2y. And then minus 1. Kalau nggak ada 1 ya, artinya negative 2x berarti minus 2x. Minus 1 times minus y plus y. Ya. Jadi gitu caranya, guys. Enak ya belajarnya. So negative 2x minus 2x. Kalau pakai cara Clarissa, you don't have to group it. Just look. Lihat aja negative 2 minus 2. Berarti minus 4x. Right? Minus 2 minus 2. And then negative 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1. Minus 1y. Or you can ignore the 1. Ingat ya, kalau 1 nggak usah ditulis. You have to ignore the 1. 1 cannot be written. Kecuali yang kayak gini, 1 aja nggak ada. Yang nggak ada temennya, ya udah 1. Gitu. So, D, last one. Negative of x minus x. Kalau nggak ada, ingat negative 1. Ingatnya gitu ya, negative x minus 4y. Open the bracket, right? Minus 2 times 3x minus 6x minus 3 times minus y plus 2y, right? And then combine. Negative x minus 6x. Berapa nih? Negative 6x minus 6x. Brian, are you there already? Hello, Brian. Can you hear me?
Yeah, Mr.
Okay, what is negative x minus 6x?
X minus 6x.
Min 1, min 6. Ya, nih, whole number. Utang 1, utang 6, Brian. Berapa jadi?
7.
7 ya. Tapi jangan lupa kasih negatif.
Oke.
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 7x. Satu lagi, Brian. Ini. Minus 4 plus 2. Karena sama-sama y, right?
Negatif 2.
Negative 2.
Y.
Y. Good. Oke, jadi gampang ya ini ya. Everything is already given. One last part, bukan last number ya. Semua lihat, wait, lupa. Saya lupa iniin, apa namanya, di merge. Nah, bisa di copy semua. Last part. Expanding with the word problems. Wah, capek banget nih practice no 4. Yaudah, coba kita bikin ya. Number 1 dulu deh. Ya. Oke, 1A. Saya bikinin ya. Kalau saya yang bikin, you coba perhatiin aja. Oke, itu terlalu black. Kita bikin black pink. Nah, ini black pink. 1A. I rewrite the question. Biar lebih enak. Yang B juga sama. Tulis ulang. Tapi bracketnya ada double gitu ya. Wow, crazy. No, it's not crazy. It's normal. But you have to make sure that you know the order. Ya, ordernya harus jelas. Urutannya. C. Semua perhatiin ya. Okay, now. Unmute, please. Nicholas, how to do this? Yuk, Nicholas. Are you there? Halo, Nicholas.
Ya.
Oke, yuk. Coba gimana caranya? Langsung.
Hmm.
'Look at the rainbow. 6 times 4x berapa?
Hmm.
6 times 4 berapa, Nicholas?
24.
24. X-nya jangan lupa ya. Next rainbow. 6 times y berapa, Nicholas?
Uh,
Berapa, Nicholas? 6 times 1 aja deh kalau nggak tahu. 6 times 1 berapa, Nicholas?
6.
6. Terus ada y-nya nggak?
Uh,
Y-nya ada atau dibuang?
Dibuang.
Kenapa dibuang? Justru harus ada ya. 6y. Aduh, Nicholas, you pay attention ya, please. Because this is so basic. Coba deh, Nicholas, gini berapa nih jadinya? 3 times 2y. Jadinya berapa, Nicholas?
6. 6y.
Ya, 6y gitu doang. Itu basicnya. Coba lagi ya, Nicholas. Negative 3 times 5x. Berapa jawabannya?
minus 15 x
Sorry,
x
can you repeat?
minus 15 x
Iya, gampang ya. Jadi pelan-pelan aja ya, Nicholas. Tapi jangan terlalu pelan juga kayak tadi. That's too slow. Make it faster. Okay, Nicholas, now finish this question. 2 times x berapa?
2 times x 2x
2x, nice. 2 times minus y.
2 2 times
Lihat di sini aja. 2 times negative 1 berapa, Nicholas?
2 times 2
2. Tapi kasih negatif jangan lupa ya. Oke? Ngerti nggak, Nicholas? Oke, next. Habisin. Ini masih belum selesai. Find the like terms. You lihat. 24x sama 2x sama ya. Ada x-nya kan. Digabungin. X-nya bikin begini. Terus y-nya juga sama. Kita gabung. 6y minus 2y. Ayo, Nicholas. 24x plus 2x berapa nih?
26x
Nice. 6y minus 2y.
4
4.
4 minus 4
6 minus 2 berapa? 6 minus 2, Nicholas. 6 kurang 2.
4
4. Tapi lupa satu lagi.
y
4y atau 4y atau 4y ya. Plus, jangan lupa ya, soalnya 6 minus 2 is plus positive 4. Oke. Do it slowly, Nicholas. Tapi harus bisa tahu rules-nya. Ya. Next, siapa lagi? Coba ini agak susah nih. I'm asking Felix to do. Felix, how you can do this? Which one you have to do first, Felix?
2x min y.
Itu jawaban akhir. Oh iya benar. 2x minus y itu order pertama ya. Jadi gini dulu ya. Right?
Yes.
Oke, so kita tulis ulang. X, oh kayak N lagi nih, ekstrim. X minus Y. Ayo, Felix gimana nih? Minus 3 times 2X berapa?
Minus 3 times 2x equal to min 6x.
Ya, good. Tuh ya, tadi Nicholas, please pay attention for what Felix said. Negative 3 times negative Y berapa?
Negative 3y.
Negative 3 times negative Y. Positif, right?
Iya.
Soalnya dia negative times negative. Gitu. So, X bracket, kita gabungin. Ada bisa ya, Y plus 3Y ya, same. Berarti 4Y minus 6X. Oke, ayo Felix, abisin. X times 4Y berapa? Biar cepet.
X times 4y.
Ini kan kayak 1X times 4Y kan? Bener gak?
Yes.
Jadi, 1 times 4, 4.
4.
Terus XY gitu. Oke?
Sir,
Oke, next. Yes?
I'm going fraction.
Oh, oke. You may go there. Oke, see you, Jessica. Terus X times negative 6X. Negative 6X square. Because X times X. This is new. Ya, ini baru buat kalian ya. So, X times X will equals to X square. Y times Y will equals to Y square. P times P times P is gonna be P cube. Ya. Soalnya dia square kalinya 2 kali. Gitu. Yuk yang ini ya, terakhir. Nanti kita bikin word problems. Then we are done. Lagi ya, bracketnya dulu kita fokus yang bracket paling dalam. See? So, 7x minus 2. Semua liatin ya, semua liatin. Minus 2 3 times x is 3x. 3 times minus 2 is minus 6, right? 3 kali min 2 minus 2 times x is negative 2x. Terus negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. Ya. And then finish the bracket. Kita combine yang sama. 3x minus 2x. X. Negative 6 plus 10. 4. Right? And then 7x. Kita giniin lagi, guys. Minus 2x. Minus 2 times 4. Minus 8. Yeah, so 7x minus 2x is 5x minus 8. There you go. Okay, that's the answer. You cannot go further. Ini juga sama jawaban akhirnya ini. Juga sama. I think you need to do it downwards, ke bawah begini ya guys. Jangan ke kanan, you bisa stress lihatnya ntar. Oke, ini contoh yang lain, yang P cube ini belakangan. Okay, I will send this to you. Again, pay attention. I'm not bored to remind you to pay attention for the last part. Because for the last part, you need the word problems. See? Kita lihat ya. Ya, semua fokus. Michael is 5 years older than Rui Feng. And Vishal is thrice as old as Michael. Thrice itu 3 kali lebih tua. 3 kali, bukan 3 tahun lebih tua. Okay, 3 times. Thrice is 3 times. Okay, so how can you do this? If Rui Feng is P years old, okay, kita tulis Rui Feng is equals to P years old. Berarti Michael berapa, guys? Coba yuk perhatiin deh. Perhatiin ya, lihat sama-sama. Michael is 5 years older than Rui Feng. Berarti Michael berapa?
5 plus P.
Nice. 5 plus P or P plus 5 ya, biar enak gini. Okay, or 5 plus P, sama aja. And Vishal is thrice as old as Michael. Berarti Vishal berapa kalinya Michael? 3 times Michael, right? Jadi gimana tulisnya? Nathan, are you trying to answer?
P
Gimana, Clarissa?
plus
Sorry.
5 times 3.
P plus 5?
P plus 5 times 3.
Times 3, that's right. Gini ya. Thrice means 3 times. Berarti 3 times-nya taruh di depan justru. 3 times P plus 5. Atau, you boleh juga gini. P plus 5 times 3. Right? But you better put the 3 in front. Okay, 3 bracket P plus 5. Okay. Now, what is Michael's present age? Oke deh, gampang. Berarti yang part 1, Michael present age. Michael is P plus 5 in algebraic form. Okay. Vishal's present age. Vishal's present age is 3 times P plus 5 or 3P plus 15. Gampang ya. Ini kita expand aja. 3P plus 15. Number 3. The sum of their ages in 6 years time. Waduh, capek deh. Nah, sum of their ages in 6 years time artinya apa? 6 years to go. 6 tahun lagi berapa? Coba lihat ya. Berarti si Rui Feng udah umur berapa? P plus 6 udah plus 6 kan? Michael berapa? P plus 6 plus P plus 5 plus 6, 6 tahun lagi. Terus Vishal, ini kan kita simplify ya. 3P plus 15 aja. Expand. 3P plus 15 plus 6. Everyone is 6 years older than the previous. Ya dong. Kan in 6 years time. 6 tahun lagi. So, dia tanyanya apa? Sum of their ages. Ditambahin semua, guys. So, ini P plus 6. Ini P plus 11, right? Ini 3P plus 21. Bener gak? Ya, kita simplify. Terus di total, di add semua, sum of their ages. So, how do you calculate the sum of their ages? P plus 6 plus P plus 11 plus 3P plus 21. Satu-satu yuk tambahin ini, tambah ini, tambah ini. Gitu. Okay. Add one to another. Okay. So, the answer will be P plus 3P, 6P. Salah, 5P. Right? And then 6 plus 11, 17. 17 plus 21 is 38. That's all. Yang part 4, coba kita lihat. 3 years ago. My goodness. 3 years ago berarti dikurangin. I nggak mau taruh ini. I think I can put this here. So part 4. 3 years ago. Berarti si Rui Feng berapa? Michael berapa? Vishal berapa? Coba. Rui Feng 3 years ago. P minus 3. Dikurangin aja kan. Michael P plus 5 minus 3. Right? Vishal 3P plus 15 minus 3. Minus 3 semua. Kenapa? In 3 years ago, 3 tahun yang lalu. Ya. Yuk. Maintain the focus. One last part. Semua lihat. Kita ini P minus 3 nggak bisa diapa-apain. Ini bisa. P plus 5 minus 3, so P plus 2. Right? 3P plus 15 minus 3, so 3P plus 12. And then you add all the numbers. So P plus 3 plus P plus 2, salah, P minus 3, sorry. Saya juga udah nggak konsen, pelan-pelan. P plus minus 3 plus P plus 2 plus 3P plus 12, right? So P plus 3P is again 5P. Negative 3 minus plus 2 is negative 1. Negative 1 plus 12 is plus 11. That's how you do for part 1. This word problems number part 1 until part 4. Pay attention. This is hard. Ya, ini susah. Saya bilang, yang bilang gampang awal-awal iya, tapi lama-lama makin susah. Just pay attention and let me know whenever you have any problem. Again, let me know whenever you have any problem because this is not as easy as you think. Okay, dah. Ada yang mau ditanya nggak? Do you have any questions so far? I will send this to you. Part 1, algebra. Okay, so what's your homework? Your homework is here. Wait, I'm finding. Ini nanti dikirim kok, tenang aja.